Ndio masasi na tulikimbiaka vita, masasi ilikiaka wakalunguza mgini. Tukakimbilia mpori. Na kupori ndio nilichomokea kukia huko.
This place is really a forgotten place. There is so much background, there's so much history and conflict. There is never peace for a longer period of time.
Mimi nikimbiaka nikamwacha. Na ndio vile tukafika mpori. Nikamtafuta nikamkosa na TV. Kama alikufia kupori kama ni kumgini, sijui sasa.
People live in remote areas where it's difficult to call for help and get help. It's just difficult to reach these people. They have not given up on their homes and they've not given up on their families, but they want to stay behind because that's where they're from.
In Congo, remoteness means living somewhere several hours hike from any place with access by a road.
Ninaishi hapa Kimba. Ndiye mtoto aligonjwa tu, nikaenda naye kwa centre de santé ya malaria. Nikapata transfer njoo nikaenda Kibua na matope kunjia sikupata mbona nikafika kunjia mtoto akafariki bila.
So before Medair came, there was usually no medicines available. We are bringing medicines, we are training the staff, we are just making sure that these health clinics are fully running.
These medicines and these vaccines need to be kept cool. So we want to put a solar fridge in place so that it's centrally located and many people will be able to use that even if there's fighting that cuts them off from the major centers.
So if you go from Goma to Misau, you go on the main road for a whole day.
Places, because of the rain, the road has become very damaged, and with each car that goes through it, the damage gets worse. Once the fridge arrived in the final destination that a car can reach, then the community sent many people out to share the load and to carry it. About 24 kilometers, and it takes us about 8 hours when we're not carrying anything. But this is through the jungle. It's muddy and slippery.
Yeah, it is tiring. Yeah, it's tiring, but it's worthwhile.
When people see that someone has come to their village, they are overjoyed. They really see that as a sign of your commitment to them and the fact that you really care about their situation, and that means the world to them.
What we really do is giving people a break. We don't solve all their problems, but we can just give them a bit of room to breathe again.